back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is my office right now. It's a little bit messy, but when you're making a movie, things have to be messy. We're on our first shoot day, and we're on location right now. This is going to be a small, closed set. This is for the first scene that we're doing. This is going to be the interview scene. We have our amazing camera, second AC, first AC for today, but our camera assistant, her name is Julie. She'll be in a second, but we're going to start filming this. It's going to be exciting. I'm with my assistants today, Stat and the rest of them, and I'm also with my management team, Savong and Mr. Long B, and Vicious Productions. This is the first day of filming for the Personals XYZ. And like I said, Miss Julie's here. Hi. Great, amazing. Let's get ready to film. It's going to be a bumpy road. See you guys next time.
And I think
Working on is the Personals XYZ. The synopsis is it's a young man who loses his way in Hollywood, and so he goes to a setting to go see if he can find his way. But it always has a twist. Every movie has a twist.